Welcome to Smart Stockwatch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 29th, 2024, and we're diving into PayPal's latest earnings report for the third quarter of 2024. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stockwatch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss PayPal's performance, especially given the strong results they've reported this quarter.
Absolutely. PayPal has been a key player in the digital payments space, and their latest report seems to reflect their ongoing transformation and strategic initiatives. Let's delve into the details. Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. PayPal reported net revenues of $7.8 billion for the third quarter, marking a 6% increase year over year. John, what are your thoughts on this revenue growth?
PayPal's revenue growth is quite impressive, especially in a competitive market. The 6% increase, which is currency neutral, indicates strong performance across their core business segments. This growth is supported by a 9% increase in total payment volume, reaching $422.6 billion.
And what about profitability? The non-GAAP EPS increased by 22% to 20. How did they achieve this?
The significant increase in EPS is largely due to improved operational efficiencies and a focus on profitable growth. Their non-GAAP operating margin expanded by 194 basis points to 18.8%, reflecting better cost management and higher transaction margins.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. PayPal's operating income also saw a substantial increase. Can you elaborate on the factors contributing to this?
Certainly, PayPal's GAAP operating income rose by 19% to $1.4 billion, while non-GAAP operating income increased by 18% to $1.5 billion. This is a result of their strategic focus on cost-cutting and operational efficiencies, which have led to a 198 basis point expansion in their GAAP operating margin.
Looking ahead, PayPal has raised its full-year non-GAAP guidance. What does this indicate about their future prospects?
This upward revision in guidance suggests confidence in their ongoing transformation and strategic initiatives. PayPal is focusing on innovation, partnerships, and marketing to drive future growth, which is promising for investors.
Strategic initiatives and market position. PayPal's strategic initiatives seem to be paying off. They've reported an increase in active accounts and payment transactions. How significant is this for their market position?
It's quite significant. PayPal's active accounts grew to 432 million, and payment transactions increased by 6% to 6.6 billion. These metrics highlight their ability to engage users and expand their ecosystem, which is crucial for maintaining a competitive edge in the digital payments industry.
They've also been focusing on new innovations and partnerships. How do these efforts align with their growth strategy?
PayPal's emphasis on innovation and partnerships is central to their strategy. By introducing new products and forging alliances with leading commerce players, they're enhancing their service offerings and expanding their market reach, which bodes well for sustained growth.
Risks and challenges. Despite the positive results, PayPal faces some challenges. Can you discuss the risks highlighted in their report?
Indeed, there are a few concerns. PayPal's debt stands at $12.4 billion, which is relatively high. Additionally, their strategic investment portfolio had a negative impact on GAAP EPS this quarter. Regulatory risks and competitive pressure in the digital payment space also pose challenges.
How should investors view these risks in the context of PayPal's overall performance?
While these risks are noteworthy, PayPal's strong operational performance and strategic initiatives provide a solid foundation for future growth. Investors should weigh these factors carefully, considering both the potential challenges and the company's robust growth trajectory.
Key takeaways. In summary, PayPal has delivered a strong performance in the third quarter of 2024, with notable improvements in revenue, profitability, and cash flow. Their strategic focus on innovation and partnerships is driving growth despite some challenges. John, any final thoughts?
PayPal's results are indeed impressive, and their raised guidance reflects confidence in their strategic direction. Investors should keep an eye on their ability to manage risks while capitalizing on growth opportunities.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on PayPal's performance in the comments below.